Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Forester. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.